Okay, today is August 4, 2011. The JDR Mission Partners Incorporated will today extend to Judel the amount of 3,000 pesos for him to pay his school obligation for his midterm examination scheduled on August 11 to 12. Okay, so this 3,000 pesos Judel is from one of our mission partners, Mr. Ronnie Torla. And this is his Thanksgiving for his birthday last July 19. So, what can you say to Mr. Torla?
I would like to say that
Tagalog na lang. Tagalog man siya.
nais ko lang sabihin sa kanya ay belated happy birthday. Salamat sa support na binigay niya sa akin.
Oo. By the way, Judel, how much do you need for your allowance every week? Like the list. So, pinakagamay, pila ang estimate nimo?
Sa adlaw ay 20 pesos yung mga akong
So let's say even if you have 300 pesos a week, that's okay already. Who knows, we may have mission volunteers or mission partners who can spare 300 to 500 pesos every week for the allowance of Judel. So receive Judel had 3,000 pesos. This is 1,000, 2, 3. Okay. So you pay that for your school. Okay? And then we are also praying that we can find funds for your mother. I understand that you have the commitment to help her for her small business. Okay, so I am working on it through our mission partners. And Mr. Torla also sent 2,000 pesos for another scholar that we are helping. We will award it later, and we will take also a video because we will email it to him for purposes of transparency and accountability. So before we go, Judel, let's pray. Father, thank you for the gift of life. Thank you for your wonderful works through the JDR Mission Partners Incorporated in this part of the world. Father, thank you for our mission partners like Mr. Ronnie Torla. I pray, Father, that you bless our mission partners like Mr. Ronnie Torla. Let them realize, oh God, with your promise that helping the mission is a big blessing to them and their family. Continue to send, Father, few of your good people to help the mission. As of today, we helped 2 of our 10 college scholars, poor but deserving students. We're still praying for a miracle that we can help the other 8 so that they can take their midterm examination next week, Father. And also, Father, I pray that you give us strength, you give us protection, because Satan, the devil, is attacking the mission. There are few people who are envious to the mission, that they are trying to destroy the mission by creating stories against the mission, Father. While I'll forgive them, Father, I pray that you give them the heart, the discerning heart, that they be enlightened what they've been doing against the mission. All this, Father, I ask and thank you in the name of your Son, Jesus Christ. Thank you so much, and God bless. Okay.